Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto 5 online on PlayStation 3. It's important to know that Rockstar Games officially shut down the original online servers for PlayStation 3 and Xbox 360 consoles back in December 2021. This means you can no longer access the official online experience. However, a dedicated community has developed unofficial methods to revive the game's online features, allowing you to revisit Los Santos with friends. This process requires specific console modifications and custom server access. To access these unofficial Grand Theft Auto online servers, your PlayStation 3 console needs to be modified. Specifically, it must be running either custom firmware, often called CFW, or PlayStation 3 Homebrew Enabler, known as HEN. These modifications enable your console to run third-party applications and connect to custom servers. Installing HEN is a relatively simple process that typically takes around 30 minutes to complete. Additionally, ensure your Grand Theft Auto 5 game is updated to version 1.27 for compatibility. Once your PlayStation 3 is modified, the next step involves setting up the custom server files. You'll typically need a personal computer and a USB stick, formatted to FAT32. First, download the required files from a dedicated community Discord server. Then, transfer these files to your PlayStation 3. This can be done either by using an FTP client to connect your PC to the console, or by copying them directly via the USB drive. The key step is replacing the game's original bin file with the custom one you downloaded. After successfully installing the custom files, launch Grand Theft Auto 5 on your PlayStation 3 and select the online option. The game will then connect to the community-run servers, bringing back the online experience. You can expect to participate in various activities like heists, jobs, and free roam, just as before. Keep in mind that this is an unofficial, community-driven project, often in a public beta phase. While it aims to replicate the original experience, you might encounter occasional bugs or downtime as the team continues to refine the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.